Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very beautiful, very pretty, and I will surely make sure that you will be amazed throughout this whole collection, because in this video collection I am here with you along with a very stylish, very beautiful, very pretty, funky, creative and mesmerizingly eye-catching, very easy to make embroidery face masks. Yes friends, with these embroidery face masks you could also get very creative and amazing ideas that how you could look classy, and you can complete your classy look, stylish, fancy, creative, royal look by making sure that you are taking care of your health to the best of your level. So friends, before going further into the depth of this video, or we should start discussing all of these hand embroidery mask patterns one by one, I have a very simple request to you, that if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, or if you are new to my channel, or you are watching my videos for the first time, then friends please subscribe my channel, and while subscribing do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And not only this friends, kindly make a habit of sharing our videos with your friends and family. Don't forget to like, comment, share and save. So now let's move back towards our discussion. Friends, all of these mask patterns are usually made on very light color fabric, that is, and the type of fabric is cotton, linen and some sort of soft, light and blended stuff that go well with your soft, light and sensitive skin of face. Friends, as you could see that these masks are very soft and lightweight, they are comfortable and they are reusable, washable. You can reuse them by washing them, and these are hand sewn with the help of very beautiful needlework and art, and they come with a 3-layered stuff, that is with inner filter pocket for absorbing impurities, and they are very suitable, favorable for coronavirus protection and many other mild acute health reasons. So I would suggest you to kindly do try these patterns at home, and in the comment section share your experiences, ideas and views, that how you feel and how were the designs made. You could also make lip designs onto the face mask so that it would give a very creative, funky and lipstick no makeup look. So I hope I was pretty much good enough to persuade you to kindly do try these patterns, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will be fine and well, and I will meet you soon in a new video with a new content. Up till then, take care of yourselves and your loved ones, and spread positivity, be positive and be a cause of positive motivation for others. Stay tuned, stay connected and keep loving us as you always have been.